Okay. Hello guys, good afternoon. Si Gilby Aguirre po ito ng The New Generation Network Marketing Community. At wini-welcome ko po kayo sa ating group at natutuwa pa ako to see different leaders from different MLM companies. Baka iba sa inyo magtataka kung bakit The New Generation Network Marketing Community. Well, hindi po ito MLM company, hindi po ito another opportunity na baka isipin nyo, i-recruit po namin kayo. No, hindi po. Well, actually, this is a community na ginawa natin para in order to unite leaders from other network marketing community. Kaya sa tingin naman, sa nakikita natin po when it comes to network marketing, di ba? Pag mga leader dyan, pag-uusapan natin, ito sa atin, maganda to yung company, ito maganda to, ito. So, ibang grupo ka, ibang company ka, wala ka, hindi tayo magkaibigan. So guys, dito sa network marketing community, we are here to unite. Okay? This is the word here. We are here to unite, to make friends, to acquaint each other, and then the most important thing is to share value. Share value to each other, to share strategies, to share marketing tips. Guys, why the New Generation Network Marketing? Kasi bakit? Yung dating kultura kasi, which is the old traditional culture of MLM, ay marami na kasing mga tao na, when we say sunog na sunog sa ganong klaseng kultura. Meron power, meron hype, meron iba't ibang strategy para maka-recruit ng tao. Well, I find this very effective before, but right now iba na kasi yung takbo ng panahon ngayon eh. So we need to revolutionize the approach. I know every one of you here are leaders and in every company. Okay? Leaders kayo sa iba't ibang companies. No, not mentioning specific MLM company, but I know every one of you there are leaders. Okay, every one of you wants to earn money. But guys, when it comes to networking, ang bottom line, gusto natin kumita, di ba? Pero since we are in the new generation network marketing, and I see this is one of the revolutionary approach na pwede natin i-consider, which is we will avoid rejection, we will avoid hype, we will avoid lahat ng mga strategy na hindi effective. So this time, iibahin natin. So kung dati, hindi nagpapansinan ng iba't ibang mga network marketers, kasi bakit iba yung mga iba't ibang mga companies, di ba? So this time, iibahin natin. Why not make it a culture na pag networker, proud ka, di ba? Networker ako, proud ka, ganon. So therefore, kailangan mag-establish tayo ng respect to each and everyone. Okay? Nagne-networking tayo, walang siraan. 'Yun ang punto ko dito, walang siraan. So, alam niyo ba sa pagnenegosyo, there is sa number one rule in prospecting. Kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng successful prospecting, you really have to consider this strategy. Okay? Dito, this is not involves any marketing or any attraction marketing, online marketing. May bibigay ko ngayon, bottom line, kung gusto nyo maka-recruit, okay, kung gusto nyo makakuha ng prospect, ito ang gagawin nyo. Huwag kayo mag-recruit. Kasi bakit? Kung nagre-recruit kayo, tumataas ang expectation nyo, di ba? The more na pina-follow up yung prospect, pinaliwanagan nyo, the more na nagre-resist. Ganun talaga. Number one rule. Kasi bakit yung tao ngayon, they're looking for a faster way para makakuha ng recruit, para magkaroon ng sale, di ba? Which is, I find it a very short-term strategy. Kasi bakit? Kung makuha mo yung isang prospect mo, kuha mo siya, okay, nag-income ka, nagkaroon ka ng direct referral, di ba? So right after that, ano nang next step, di ba? Tuturuan mo siya, ganon. So what if you are being offered to another company which is higher compensation plan? higher benefits, ano mangyayari sa downline mo? 'Di ba? May iwan mo siya, 'di ba? So mga ganitong klaseng kalakaran, it is very common na maraming tao hindi kumikita. It is very common na maraming tao ang nagiging na-frustrate dahil sa mga apply nila, sa mga company owners. So lahat ano na 'yun, involved na 'yun doon lahat. Pero one thing we should consider here is, before getting people into your opportunity, why not we should establish first our value. Okay? Kasi tingnan mo very alarming. Every day meron 20 companies na nare-register sa SEC. 20 companies. Imagine ilang companies 'yon in 1 week. So dito dumadami ng network marketing companies. So the more na dumami yung network marketing companies, the more na natataranta yung tao, the more na ano sila, ito maganda sa amin, ito the best sa amin. Ito ano, pwede pa inuman ng coke. Okay, inom tayo. So ang point ko doon, dumadaming opportunities. So therefore ang tao nagkakaroon na ng trauma. 'Di ba? Pag i-recruit mo, hindi, mas maganda to sa amin, hindi, the best to sa amin, yung product namin, ito, tingnan mo to. Okay? Katulad na lang sa Facebook, may mga kakilala ako na out of nowhere, magpa-pop up na lang sa chatboard na Gilby, I just want to share my opportunity, maganda to, the best to, ang compensation plan. They don't see any value in that. I don't see any value. It's just another MLM thing. It's just another business thing. But with establishing value, with establishing yourself first before offering your company, before offering your opportunity, this is so far the best way, the best approach I can see. Kasi bakit? Kung establish mo yung rapport mo sa prospect mo, establish mo yung value mo, hindi nila titingnan kung anong company ang lilipatan mo. If ever magbago ka man ng isip, na-recruit mo siya tapos lumipat ka, since you have established your value in that person, hindi niya na makikita yung value sa company na in-offer mo. Nakikita niyo ng value na may offer mo sa kanya. Yung leadership, when we say about value, what is value? Guys, value is something that you can share to your prospect, your downline, a self-experience, a skill set, strategy, lahat, personal development. Those are skills na pwede mo ma-offer sa downline mo in order to improve their lives. Those are valuable things na kailangan nila. Well, a compensation plan, a business plan, mag-i-offer mo yun right away without telling them what to do, without teaching them what to do, ano mangyayari? 'Di ba? Magiging useless din. And eventually, yung downline na na-recruit mo, mababurn out din. So therefore, we need to establish value first. I have one very good example here. Guys, did you see this? Gusto mo? Oh, sa'yo na lang. So guys, ito. Di ba 500 peso bill? Hawak mo na. 500 peso bill. Do you think malaking halaga to? Di ba malaking halaga? Malaking halaga, di ba? Okay, good. So, what if gugustutin ko? Tatanggapin mo pa rin? Of course, di ba? Siyempre, pera yan. What if aapakan ko? Tatanggapin mo pa rin? Di ba? So, ano man mangyari dyan, tatanggapin mo pa rin. Kahit mapunitan siya, masunog siya. Ang iba nga, ini-scotch tipan pa, hindi lalagyan ng tape. Kasi bakit? There is something in this kind of paper na hindi pwede pagpalit. Diba? Kasi meron siyang value. So same thing in everything we do. How much more tayo human beings, diba? We need to put value in everything we do. Kasi bakit? Ikaw yun eh. Brand mo yun. What if kung nakilala